Alright, let's look at the charts, boys. Looks like we have a full and final complete trade on gold. I did already sell because we hit TP. But I'm officially locked and out of gold. As you can see, our price prediction was correct. Remember, I was telling y'all I placed my trade January 13th around 12 o'clock. And then it's currently February 5th, where we are two to three, two full developed candles outside our TP. I personally thought we were gonna hit a historical high here, break on the upside, but I guess, and it would just go back down. But looks like we could have put our TP a little bit higher. But this is a perfectly executed trade by me. We already have two full developed candles already outside of our TP. Could have rid way longer, depending on what all of you did. But once I hit TP, I got out, and yeah, my prediction was correct. Um, 30 to about a month. I predicted this gold trade about a month out, so went perfectly as planned. Um, let's check out my also prediction on S&P. Went somewhat in my way. I didn't actually have a trade here. I was just seeing. Oh, I like to track S&P. I mainly trade. I do trade a little bit of S&P, but I mainly trade NQ and commodities. But looks like on S&P, I did try to make a prediction here. Technically, I was right. Technically, I wasn't wrong. Technically, this trade would have been a very successful trade because I had my TP set at this high here. As you can see, would have broken this high. So my trade was technically correct, but depending on what you did here, trading wise, based on your own expertise of trading, depending on how well you traded S&P, depending on if you sold or bought, sold, but you still can sell, still breaking up. Personally, this all happened because I know with China creating better AI and technology with us, causing the stock market tank. But it's not always a bad thing because it just creates more buying opportunity, especially for someone like me that retail trades. But I don't think it's a big deal. We already have a higher high here, and we already have this developing candle right here, so I wouldn't worry too much. Um, but we'll see how it plays out. I'm not bullish or bearish on S&P. I'm still not quite sure where it's gonna go because it does look like this fucking this little area right here. Let's mark this out because this kind of area of liquidity right here is scaring me a little bit. You could go into, who knows, you could start to move into a downtrend because of this area of liquidity, how there's not many major developments. I would call this liquidity right here. It's not really, not a lot of new highs being made. It's big liquidity zone, so we'll see on S&P. But yeah, everything's looking good market wise. Facebook's pumping on the upside. My gold trade, I would say this is my um, second very long term successful trades that I've made in the past. But I am a swing trader. I do read charts. It's my specialty. I'm very good at analyzing. That's why I want to be a CFA. I'm very good at analyzing and reading what's in front of me. That's how I learn good. But let's look at that fucking Nvidia, bro. Nvidia took a big ass fucking hit. Never liked Nvidia. I never invested in Nvidia. I feel like there's a shit ton of hype, considering how much fucking liquidity it fucking built from October to fucking like January. Just built fucking liquidity. Like, what a fucking piece of shit stock to trade, bro. But yeah, I have to say, gold trade complete and the S&P prediction are both complete. We'll be coming out with new stuff sooner. I just have to look and analyze, see what I can find. But yeah, very successful trade.